What's up, guys? Today I was talking to a guy and he helped me out with the problem I was having with gating and spitting. So it's an update, and looking here, we're kind of reversed. This is the top of the board looking down. So the 33 kilo ohm resistor was in the middle, and this 330 ohm resistor was up here. And I was kind of thinking about this morning before, I checked my messages, and I was thinking the less resistance you have at R1 here, the more voltage you're going to have at the collector at Q1. So as I was thinking, I checked my messages, and the fella that helped me out, he said I should have never moved the 33K to the middle position. But I did that because on that one site that I posted on the very first video, it showed when you're using the silicon, they moved this 330 up to the R1 spot and the 33 kilo ohm down to the R2 spot. So it works proper now. We're grounded here, and I'll show you a voltage on the collector of Q1. So there you go, 1.249 volts. And the fella I was talking to said he gets 1.3 to 1.4 volts on that. Now over here on Q2, if we touch the collector, we're at 3.21. So we're not quite at that 4.5 volts. We're not far off, 1.3 volts. And I've tried it out. It sounds good to me, so I'm going to leave it this way. I'm not going to mess with the value of this 8.2 resistor. So that's going to about wrap it up. Good luck with your build, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment.